My name is Darrell Stevens. I'm a SCADA engineer. I'm from Rappahannock Electric Cooperative out of Virginia. What Surveillant does well is one, provide a lot of support when you have any issues or you have any type of things that you want to develop further or beyond the knowledge base that you have, basically coming from the training manuals. They are actually very supportive and they're able to be very accessible. They also do very well the product R&D. They make sure that they talk to the people and they communicate with everyone that's involved to make sure that the users have a wonderful experience. I find invaluable the command sequence tool. Command sequence is utilized so much and when it comes to switching orders and when it comes to the usage of automation, it is invaluable. What I believe that other utilities should know about Surveillant is the ability for surveillance software to be user-friendly. It's very intuitive when it comes to the understanding little things such as legends when you hover over certain icons on the surveillance software, which that I definitely feel could be invaluable. From the Surveillant Global Conference, the training is immeasurable. I really appreciated it. And in my experience, coming on board to a organization that had something totally different than what I was used to, the training that was provided by Surveillant was very critical in my development and my continuous development. So therefore I attend every year just to make sure I learn all of the new tricks, make sure I stay up to date on all of the different abilities that Surveillant has, and then the enhancements definitely being explained helps so much.